these people I'm not እያደደበችው ነው ውዴ understand
what
understand
no the አማርኛ
okay you know መጀመሪያ ልጀምርልሽ መሰለኝ you know ሳሪ ኤርሚ ሀበሻ
ሳሪ ኤርሚ no
she's famous
I don't know
okay she is English student
say hi Reem Raju
Reem you know Reem
yes
it's good yeah Zed she Zed and Reem Zed she go work gold ከሪም ላይ ገዛች
okay
ገና አልከፈለችም she not send ፍሉስ money
she send money who
no send money for gold
oh Zed. wow
ገብቶሽ ነው ማሪ
no
ታዲያ ዋው ያልሽኝ ሳይገባሽ ነው
she didn't pay
who
Winnie
Reem
yes
guys ተዳፈሩት እንግሊዘኛ ምንም ማያመጣም እንደ ተረዳችሁት ተዳፈሩት እኔን እያያችሁኝ ደፈሩት እንግሊዘኛን ኦኬ ዴዚ I understand oh yes ንገሪያት በአማርኛ ምኑን ውዴ ምኑን ነው ብነግራት ሪም okay
Zaid did not pay Reem
yes ቢገባኝም ባይገባኝም yes
yeah
okay ዜድ ምን አረገች መሰለሽ ይሄን በአማርኛ ነው እንዲገባሽ አድርጌ ማብራራልሽ ካሪም ጎልድ ላይ ወርቅ ገዛች ዜድ አባሽ
ያ
አምስቴ መረጠች 5 መረጠች አምስቴ መረጠች ስትገዛ ስትመርጥ ሲቀመጥ ስትመርጥ ሲቀመጥ ስትመርጥ ሲቀመጥ ዛሬ መጨረሻ ወሰነችና ቆርጣ እስካሁን አልከፈለችም ልልሽ ፈልጌ ነው
yeah take her to prison
yeah she payment no aywa
yeah take her to jail
yes
you need to go to jail
okay she goes okay you are good walla lazim you are good
say hi to my friend
okay
he only speak English Reem
don't speak Amharic
no he only speak English
ተጨነኩት አንሶይ ሌላ ጭንቀት ይዘሽ መጣ ስለዚህ እሺ ምን ማድረግ ይቻላል
what did you say
Yab you speak English
እንደምን አለሽ የኔ እናት
አይ
English
አላገልከኝ ከጭንቅ እንዴና ሰላም ነው
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ያብስራ ተፈራ ሳይድ ይባላል የኔ እህት
እሺ ያብስራ ረጁ ይባላልው ስላወኩ ደስ ብሎኛል ናይስ ቱ ሚት ዩ
እትቱ እሺ ቻው ዴዚ
bye Yab
what is this my sister he is Costara why
huh
he is Costara why
what is Costara
ዓለም ምንድነው በእንግሊዘኛ ማለት
ዓለም world
world 9 day not 10 day ምንድነው እሱ ዴ ዓለም 9 ናት 10 አትሞላም ታው ዓለም 9 ናት 10 አትሞላም ልልሽ ፈልጌ ነው አልገባሽም እንዴ ዴዝዬ
oh let's do like bonnet ነው ማለት ነው
ያ ና world is 9 day not 10 day okay everybody relax. Why this people? Why?
No, Asu Tsurusogen, he's scared.
Okay. Understand. Wallah lazim, understand.
So how do you feel about Zid? Tell me. You can just tell me. How do you feel about Zid? Just tell me. She's not here right now.
Yeah, I understand. Understand. Wallah lazim, understand.
How do you feel about Zid?
What do you say?
How do you feel about Zid?
Zed feel she's crazy. This feel. Aywa.
What did she do to you over the years?
Wallahi, እንደዛው ነው. Like this. Yes, like this. Gobaz, you understand Zed.
Okay. Who's your best friend by TikTok?
Me?
Who's your best friend?
Reem Gold.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you love Zid?
Yeah, of course, I like it.
100%?
Yeah, والله لازم 100%.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Your question enough?
Hi, internet.
Do you ever get presents like every holiday?
What?
Do you ever get presents like on holidays and stuff?
Stuff. We do stuff. Yes.
Do you get do you get presents?
Present. Okay. Yes. Yeah, of course.
Yeah? What type of present?
Reem Gold. Or okay. Tara Ermi Habasha Rokobot. You know Rokobot?
Rokobot.
Yeah, like coffee. This gold Rokobot. Yani Rokobot. You coffee.
Okay.
Rokobot day. Not understand Rokobot?
No.
Rokobot means this one. Wait. This one, Rokobot means this one.
Gold. Oh, okay.
Yes. This is Sari Ermi Habasha, okay?
Yeah.
This.
Okay. Yeah. Is Zid Zid is live. Zid is live by guest.
ገስት ልገባ ነው ዜድ ምቀኛ
Yeah.
ምቀኛ ዜድ is come back guest.
Yeah.
She ምቀኛ me and you English talk. She ምቀኛ.
Raju, let's go to Zid's live as a guest.
Okay.
Come, you come too, okay?
I'm coming. Okay.
Okay.